So we've all had that sinking feeling, that moment, when we push our drone too far.
Oh crap, okay. Pardon me guys, but I'm just panicking a little bit.
Battery level is low.
No, my battery level is low. I have to come in.
10 seconds.
Whether it was because we just flew too far,
what is happening? Low battery. Just landed on the sandbank over there. It only had 9% battery. Wow! It's all over there. How do we get there? Gee! Now I need to find a boat!
when that moment does come, you need to know, auto return to home or manual flight return to home. Which one is going to be better? So in this video, I'm going to use my DJI Mavic Air and do a test to see which one. So we know that sports mode is fast, and if you have to get back quickly, that is the mode to use. But say you're out in the water a little bit, and you need to make sure you get back. Okay, so it is a calm day on the north coast of New South Wales, Australia. I've taken the drones out to 1,500 metres, 1.5 k's. I'm using parabolic range extenders on both my controllers, which means occasionally if I'm not pointing them directly at the drone, the video feed starts to drop out a little bit and some of the data doesn't update as quickly, but conditions are great. Obviously, in manual sport mode, the drone's going to return considerably quicker, so that's the first one we will expect to be landing at the location. Both flights were taken within about 5 minutes of each other. Okay, so how did we go? Manual, return to home in sports mode. Power consumed was 32%, and that it was at a rate of 47 meters per 1% used. Auto return to home, normal mode. Power consumed 28% at a rate of 55 meters per 1%. So, what does this all mean? Well, in the real world, auto return to home is 13% more efficient, or could travel 240 meters further on the same battery power. So how fast can you cover 100 meters if it came down to it? $240 meters doesn't sound like it's far, but it could mean the difference between just catching your drone or not catching it at all. Speaking for myself, I'm probably not so fast over 100 meters anymore. Thank you for watching and see you next time.